Hi, I'm Koh. We are going to play the Nerf gun. And this is my song. What's Hi. Say hi. Say I'm today.
And that's me, okay?
Okay.
I'll put this here so you can see all of us. Okay, the game starts in 3,
Wait,
2,
let's look.
1. The game started.
Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh, I got no more guns. Oh, look. Oh, still have. Ow! Ow! Helping? Hurry up. You got no more guns. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Hello.
Ow!
Oh, something wrong with this.
Ow! Oh, good. Oh, good.
Not good.
Hit you,
No.
oh! Hi, hi. You want to hit you? Ah. Aren't you wearing your glasses? Wear your glasses. Where he hit you? Ow! Ah. Why you always hit my head?
No, it can make you painful. If you hit your body, it will not be painful for an adult.
Ow!
Haha. Losers.
Ow!
Haha. Haha.
I got no more ammo.
Haha. What ammo? Darts.
Yeah, no more ammo already.
What's that? Why so much? You say no more ammo.
Oh, on the floor.
I have more lesser ammo than you are. I only have 5 only.
Oh. Yeah, I found some.
Only if I have heavy fire, I can just machine you down. At least we get this lasers. Huh?
Ah, you can see me, ah. Ow! You don't look at him, he will shoot you.
Hello.
Coco, why you Coco? Why you Coco the gun? Give him the
Okay,
gun.
YouTube, we are gonna YouTube. Please subscribe, and we'll come to play another game, part 2.